The design of the iPad mini 4 is going to come as no surprise to most, as it's still borrowing the same design language from the original iPad mini. The same swooping curved edges are used once more, and the ceramic-like back of the tablet feels brilliant in the hand. The Mini 4, like the iPad Air 2, has had a little bit of thickness shaved off compared to its predecessor to make it even more portable, and the weight is reduced accordingly. The iPad mini 4 is down to 299 grams, from 331 grams, which makes it even easier to slip into the inside pocket of a jacket or hide in a bag. The screen is still encased with the same large bezels from all other iPads, but with less down the horizontal sides, when you're holding the Mini 4 in portrait orientation, to make things look a little sleeker. Is that a good thing? Will you not rub your palms all over it and interact with the screen unwillingly when you're trying to browse the web or read a book on the go? Thankfully, the screen is more intelligent, and can work out when you're going to want to do this and when you're not, so you won't have to worry too much about accidental taps. The rest of the tablet is pretty much as expected, with only the silencer switch missing. This has been gradually eradicated from most of Apple's devices of late, with the silencer finding a home in the Control Center section, found by dragging up from the bottom of the screen, and working just as well when you need to shut the iPad up. Some people think Apple gets kudos for its design language simply because of the brand, but there's still the same hallmark craftsmanship present throughout this tablet, with ergonomics carefully thought out. The volume and power buttons are just prominent enough to be found without looking, yet still don't catch on pockets or bags when the device is being flung about. The iPad mini 4 is one of the most robust and premium-feeling tablets on the market. It's probably not going to survive a fight with barbed wire, but the casing can handle some rough treatment in a bag, that's for sure. It always makes sense to pick up a case or cover to protect the screen, but that display too has got some strength to it. I'm not suggesting you throw it out of windows regularly, not just for damage purposes, that's just a dumb thing to do. Why are you even considering it? But it's going to handle the odd drop from the bed.